Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell and make sure uh, you share this video, give it a thumbs up if you find any value at the end. And if you have any complaint or probably you have any opinion, you can definitely message me on my WhatsApp using the description, using the WhatsApp number in the description below, or you can put your comments right in the comment section. That means put your opinion or suggestion in the comment section. Now, this is to inform you all that I don't have a Telegram channel yet. I don't have a Telegram channel yet. So, if you see any video out there or probably any channel there bearing the same name as this channel on a Telegram, then no, it's not me. Is that clear? Right. Before I proceed with today's strategy, please make sure you watch till the end and make sure you pay attention because I'm going to share an information with you. Probably if you are new to this channel or this is your first time, there's an information I'm going to share with you that may likely help you change your trading uh, style drastically, increasing your earnings or increasing your profit and making you a consistent forex trader. So today's strategy, we're going to be starting with gold, though you can use this strategy both for synthetic indices or any other currency pair. So since I have different uh, traders on my channel, both the synthetic traders and the forex traders, so I'm going to make this strategy for every one of you. That means you can apply this strategy as a forex trader, you can also apply it as a synthetic trader. So I believe you will not want to miss this opportunity. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button because it's going to help this channel grow, and then it's going to also allow YouTube to share this video across to everyone who is in search. Now, kindly know that mobile strategy are mainly for scalping, so that when you are new into trading, don't depend solemnly on them. Why did I say this is made for scalping? These indicators will not show you the true picture of the entire market. So since you are going to be using it, once the strategy or the conditions necessary for entry and exit takes place, make sure you use it, and when you make profit, exit the market immediately if you are yet to understand how to do the technical analysis. Is that clear, guys? Because I would not want a situation whereby you make little profit and at the end of the day you lose it back to the brokers. So don't be eager to skip this video, watch till the end. It's very, very important. Very, very important. Now, I would want to start setting the indicator setup on the chart. That means all the necessary indicators we need for the strategy. I'm going to set it up right now. Then I'll explain how to use them to take entry and exit. Exactly. Now, first of all, to add those indicators, click on this icon here. When you click on that icon, it's going to take you to the indicators window home. So right here on the window home, you can add them one after the other. Now we're going to start with the main chart. So on the main chart, we need just to we just need one single indicator on the main chart, which is the Bollinger Band. So the Bollinger Band should have a period of 21. The deviation should be 0.00, shift 0, apply to should be close, then the style should be any color of your choice, it doesn't matter. Exactly. Then you click on save. That is for the main chart. Now the window one, on the window one, we're going to add three different indicators. I'm sorry, five different indicators if I'm not mistaken. So we're going to start with the stochastic indicator. Now on the stochastic indicator, The K period should be 1, D period should be 1, slowing should be 1. Then the price field should be close. For this first one, use close slash close. Then method should be simple. Exactly. Make sure the method is what? Simple. Now, all these criteria at the top is not necessary. What we need here is the level. So your style should be 1 pixel. The background color, if you're using black background, make sure you change both the up and the the main signal and the main and the signal should be your background color. They come to the levels. Now on the levels, let me delete this one. We are going to be using 2 of the stochastic indicators. So we are going to be using the first one. This first one is going to be, we're going to be use 1 to 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. Right? Then you change this color to red, green. Exactly. You change this color to green. So 1 to 12, add 0. Change it to green. Then you click on save. When you click on save, now let's check the chart how it looks like. Now you can see that it gives us a background. Now this pattern, this area is going to be acting as support. Exactly. Don't worry, when we are done, we will get it more better. So that area is going to be acting as support. Now let's create our resistance zone. You come back to your indicator home. Now this time around, you're going to be clicking on the F loss on the main indicator window 1. So when you click on it, you go back to your stochastic oscillator. Then you change this time around. You're going to be changing the levels. Now we change the price field from close to close there to low and high. Then we're going to change the levels now. We delete these levels away, then we add the new level. So we're going to start with 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, so we stop at 83. Then we add 89, 89, sorry, 90, 91, 92, 93. So then we change the color to red. Exactly. We change the color to red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we add 94. So we change the color to red. Then we click on save. Now let's go back and check. So you see it. We've created the support zone. We've created the resistance zone. So this area here, we act as resistance, while here we act as support. Exactly. So we proceed further back to then we are going to add RSI. So we still click on this you click on this F plus. So I'm going to add RSI. That is the relative strength index. Now the relative strength index superior should be 1. Apply to close. Style should be your background color 1 pixel. Then the level should be 80. Then the description should be sell. 20 should be buy. Then 50 should be take profit. use 4 pixels, then any color of your choice, you click on save. So when you check now, you can see it, right? You can see how it looks like. You can see how it looks like, right? The reason why I use there's a video I made and I used RSI for the up and down. So some of you later chatted me that the RSI is not stable. That means sometimes either the resistance area is disappearing or the support area is disappearing. So that's why I decided to use stochastic oscillator this time around. Is that clear? So let's go back again. So we are going to add uh we are going to add Bollinger Band period 21. Can you see? Add Bollinger Band period 21. You change this black to let's change it to brown or any color of your choice. Then click on save. Then you add moving average period 7 exponential. Now this apply to should be previous indicator data. Is that clear? Use previous indicator data. Then you can use blue. Then you click on save. So can you see how it looks like now? Right? So you are getting the strategy gradually. Don't worry, when I'm done, you will understand what I'm doing now. The last part here now is adding come to the main chart, click on the F plus on the main chart and add average movement directional movement index. Now the period should be 50. Is that clear? The period should be 50. Your style should be your background color. Positive DI should be green, negative DI should be red. Then the levels 20, 75 and 15. Is that clear? These are the levels we need for the ADX. So when you are done, you click on save. Now we are done with all we need. Now if you are going to be using it on the forex market or probably for gold or the other forex pair, currency pair, you can use it on the 1 minute time frame for scalping. Mind you, this strategy is for scalping. That means to enter the market very fast, then exit immediately. Exactly. So how do you sell and how do you buy with this strategy? Now, for you to take a buy or to scalp for buy, this is what you need to see. You need to see your moving average crossing your ADX at this region, just like what we have here. This is the first condition. Sorry, the first condition should be price closing above your uh Bollinger Band in your main charts. Immediately price close here. The second condition is you want to see this scenario playing in your window 1. Is that clear? Immediately we have the blue crossing the brown around the level 20 axis, which is the buy zone. Then it means there's an alert for buy. Then the last condition is here. We want to see the positive DI, which is the green one, above level 20. Why the negative should be below level 20. So when these three conditions aligns, then you scalp for buy. Use the minimal lot size if you have a little account. Don't forget that this is a scalping strategy. This is not something you need to hold for too long, and we are using it on a 1 minute time frame. It can work on any time frame, but for easy scalping, you can use it on 1 minute time frame. Exactly, guys. So when you hold it, then you get it ASAP. Now you can see now that price is giving us a form of cross. You can see that there's a sell setup here, but it has not really materialized. Why does it has not really materialized? One, we have not got a cross below the level 80 at this zone. One, And we've not also gotten this cross. We want to see the positive ADX below level 20, while the negative ADX, which is the red one, above level 20. So if this align with what is happening on the main chart, then we would have opened or take a sell entry. That means we will have opened a position for what? Sell. But since it is not aligning at the moment, you definitely have to wait till it aligns, right? Now, let's also backtest what happened in the previous time. You can also see that what I explained to you is materializing in these points. Immediately price cross above 20, and we also have our positive ADX above level 20, then our buy is usually what? Successful. Is what? Successful. So if we keep backtesting, then in this case of sell scenario, we have the move here, and then we have our negative below. We also have this above level 20. So it will definitely play out, but be mindful, don't over trade, and mind to use little lot size. Exactly. Mind to use little lot size. When you apply this, you will definitely see results. You just once you meet up with probably $1 or two, since you are scalping out of the market, because gold is a very volatile pair. Gold is a very volatile pair. So when you keep backtesting, you keep seeing the strategy in place. That means it keeps giving you this positive vibe for buying and selling using this same method I just explained. Don't forget I told you that this area is indicating price has getting to an area of resistance, but we don't just place trade immediately. We want to see price crossing below this level. Immediately price is crossing below that level, then we need to also see our negative DI above level 15, while the positive is below level 15, or above level 20, while the positive is below, vice versa in the case of buy also. So definitely you place your buy and sell. Now you can also extend it up to a higher time frame, let's say 15 minutes, 5 minutes. If you want something more solid, you can see you still keep having the same vibe. You still have the same thing, strategy setup. Exactly. Now, a few days ago, a lady chatted me that she can't trade synthetic indices and currency pair on her mobile phone device. And I told her the reason why. So this is a live account, right? This is a live account. Now watch, probably you've not watched the last video. Watch the recent video I made talking about flipping $10 to $1,000. Just check my channel. There's a video how to flip $10 to $1,010 very fast. Watch that video. I made a video regarding how you can flip your $10, but it's not with this mobile strategy. But just watch it, and you see how I use a sample or a proof to explain in details. Now this is a live chart. Live chart. You can see this is a live chart, right? So I recently created this chart for that video I just told you. So what I want to portray here is this. When you come to your chart now, if I click on this currency zone, you can see I have currency pair and I have some synthetic indices pair as well. So which means if it is synthetic indices I want to trade, I can switch to either volatility 75. I can switch to crash 1, crash 500, which any one I desire to trade on. I can easily switch to that particular pair in time. So it doesn't matter if it is what is it called? If it is currency pair. The reason why it's like that is you can only do this on deriv. So if you want to trade these two pair, you can only do it on deriv. That means create a swap account. When you get to your deriv, after registering and doing all the necessary thing, create a swap account for MT5. So when you create a swap account for MT5, you'll be able to trade both forex and then synthetic indices easily. Exactly, you'll be able to trade it on the. But if you are not trading synthetic indices, no problem. You can just go ahead, use any broker of your choice, and then you trade your uh synthetic indices pair. Now this is on the crash. This is the synthetic indices. How do this strategy applies to synthetic indices? Now we are not going to be using the 1 minute time frame here. You can use the 1 minute time frame if you desire, but for this particular video, I'm not using 1 minute. I'll be using 15 minutes to explain similar scenario. You can see it now that nothing changes. Immediately we are having our entry here, our confirmation here, confirmation here. What we want to see is the positive DI dominating. Why this is moving below. Immediately it's touching level 20 or crossing below level 20, then we are taking our buy immediately. So you can see that with 15 minutes, you'll be able to scalp with a reasonable lot size. Exactly. The same thing applies to what happened both on the forex market. Exactly. Now, if you could proceed to 30 minutes, now it gets more mature. It gets more what? Mature. Now, you can see that in 15 minutes, it was a buy, but here we are having what? The buy is just taking place. Already, we have taken your buy long ago before now. So, it also applies to if you are trading volatility 75 indices, you can see. Now, volatility 75 is giving us a formation of what? Sell. But we've not have the confirmation here yet because price is already at a resistance zone. Fine. So we need to see confirmation there. Then we also need to see confirmation here before we pull our trade. Except maybe you want to risk it. Then you can put your stop loss somewhere here, a little bit above it. Then you place your sell. Exactly. But it will be very good if you always allow the condition align. Then if we should switch back to maybe 5 minute time frame, you will have seen that everything is almost taking shape already. Can you see it? So this is why this strategy is helpful for both step index. I'm sorry, for both currency pair and for what is it called, synthetic indices. It doesn't matter. So please make sure you watch this video till the end and then make sure you apply as stated. Exactly. And please subscribe. It is very, very important to grow this channel. I need that subscription. It is very, very important you subscribe so that this channel can grow as fast as possible. Exactly, guys. All right. Now I told you I'm going to share something with you. If you want to make consistent profit, now this strategy is just for scalping the market, but if you want something more solid and accurate, don't hesitate to join or get the millionaire strategy. Yes, with the millionaire strategy, there is, in fact, you can grow even $3, $2, or even $1 to $100 in as much as you follow the instructions. Exactly. So my WhatsApp number is in the description below. Message me to get it. And try to watch, if you want to get more information on how this millionaire strategy works, watch the video which I titled How to Flip $10 to $100 quickly. Exactly. How to flip $10 to $100 quickly. So that's that video. I made the video and I explained how you can do it with that strategy. Exactly. So, and if you still want more information, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe. Check the description below. My WhatsApp number is there. You can definitely contact me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and then peace out.